I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open GNC 4kg full guide. Start by inspecting the lid type and locating any tabs or seals, then secure the container on a stable surface and clear nearby items. Use a flat screwdriver to gently pry at the seam while applying steady pressure, and switch to a small pry tool for stubborn spots. Work slowly to avoid spilling the product, gather the right tools, and prioritize safety before you start. Place a towel or tray beneath the container to catch spills, and put on rubber gloves for grip and hygiene. Use a flat screwdriver for the initial pry and switch to a thin pry tool for tight seals, keeping your hands clear of the seam. Move slowly and deliberately to prevent sudden slips and to keep product intact. Begin by locating all locking tabs and gently pressing or lifting each tab to disengage them. Insert the flat screwdriver at one edge and apply even, steady leverage, moving around the lid to release it bit by bit. Once the lid lifts, check for and peel back any inner foil or silicone seals, keeping them intact if you plan to reuse the container. Store the lid and any scoops neatly to maintain freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.